Let's talk about toolbar item in SwiftUI. Let's talk about toolbar item by using keyboard in SwiftUI. Toolbar item by using keyboard in SwiftUI. So, what is toolbar items? So, a model that represent an item which can be placed in the toolbar or in the toolbar and tab bar item. So, SwiftUI let us add in an input accessory view to keyboard, which means that when the user activities, some text entry we can custom there. Some text entry in the custom. So, we're gonna create on the SwiftUI view, and we're gonna create on the SwiftUI view. This is a toolbar item. Okay, we're gonna create on this toolbar item in SwiftUI. So first of all, we're gonna create on this state property. We're gonna bind on this text field. So name, which is we can use of user. So username, and which is type of string, and is equal to empty. Okay, we're gonna create on this focus state. In focus state is changing in this property. We can check on this focus state private var is focus, which is type of bool. In this property, which is type, we're gonna create on this text. We're gonna create on this text field. We're gonna create on this text field. Suppose we have a text field. In this text field, username, and we're gonna apply this dollar username. Okay, we're gonna apply the dollar username, and we're gonna create on this button. So in this button action, and in this labels, so which have on this button in this submit, action in this submit, suppose action in this done, not apply on this submit, and we can use of done. Okay, and we can use of our bind properties, and we're gonna apply the focus in this. We can apply the focus modifier focus, and we can use of condition dollar, assign on the dollar, assign on this dollar is focus. Okay, and we can use of is focus is equal to false. We're gonna assign this focus is equal to false. We're gonna zoom on this applications. We're gonna use, but we can use of toolbar, but it's not apply on this toolbar, but in another instance in this toolbar. This is the focused. Okay, on this applications, and this is the hello, and this done, but it's not apply on this done. Okay, but if we can check on this focus toolbar, and we can use of enjoying, and this we can use of enjoying inputs and outputs. So we can use of bind on this. Suppose this is the navigation view. This is the navigation view. Okay, and we're gonna create on the text field. This is the navigation view, and dot text field style. We're gonna apply in this text field style, rounded text field style, border text field style. We're gonna send dot follower. We're gonna send this dot toolbar, and this we're gonna send this dot toolbar. We're gonna assign on this dot toolbar. Okay, we're gonna assign the toolbar, and we can use the toolbar items. Toolbar, we can assign on this toolbar item group. You can assign toolbar item group. We're gonna create on toolbar item group. This is a placement. We're gonna create on this placement, and this placement we're gonna assign this placement. Suppose whichever placement is dot, we're gonna assign this keyboard. So this is the keyboard placement. We can use of not applying this keyboard placement, and using this keyboard we're gonna apply this button. Suppose whichever our button is in this button, and command is in this command V. We're gonna apply this button, and we can use of spacer in this button, uppercase spacer. Okay, we're gonna run on this application, and we're gonna apply on this text field toolbar item, and we're gonna apply on this dot padding. We're gonna apply the dot padding in this text field. We're gonna run this application. So tabbed on this done. We can use the toolbar in this terminal. So have a nice day. But we can apply in this condition. This doesn't. We can run on this applications and we can run on this application. This is a this done button. We can use the keyboard bottom bar and use the keyboard bottom bar. So thank you for watching. You can use the toolbar in SwiftUI.